Look at all that beautiful black mulch. Hi YouTube. I took the weekend off, sort of. I mean, we worked in the front yard. We're in Southern California. We're in the Central Valley. For those of you who are not aware, California's had a pretty bad drought. This area is highly dependent on agriculture. And in a show of solidarity, I quit watering my yard 2 years ago. The amount of water that I use to maintain our yard is insignificant, but it's kind of like, it's just that deal of, like I say, it's an act of solidarity. It's, you know what, you guys are in trouble, we shouldn't be pissing our water away and that kind of stuff. And so the yard was looking really bad. It still looks pretty bad, but we'll whip it into shape. We did a lot of, we scraped the flower beds out and got all the weeds and bought a whole bunch of mulch. We still need more, but we're gonna make it look better. The neighbors are probably going to be happy about that. Anyway, what are we doing today? Well, first thing to start off with, this guy right here. This is the small gate for what we're lovingly referring to as the slumlord gate. It was twisted, and so you can see here they're clamped down at that end of the table with some blocks, and then over here I can move that one over there, here, whatever, and then push down on whatever corner or use a clamp to push it down, whatever. I think it's pretty flat now. At least it's flat enough for this. This is one of those opportunities where I really wish I had a real welding table, or even better, it'd be a nice plating table. But anyway, that'll work. Basically, what I'm doing today is just focusing on getting these things welded up. It's been 100 and I don't know. I think it's, well, I don't know what it's supposed to be today. It's like 102, 103, 100. I don't know. It doesn't matter. It's hot, but they need to be welded up. And I went down and we bought a few little odds and ends that we needed for the gate that's replacing the gate we already built. So I got that stuff ordered, or not ordered, but it's actually it's in Black Betty right now, actually, and the wife actually drove off in Black Betty. So, but I got plenty to do before she gets back. So anyway, that's what we're doing. Just a lot of welding and maybe some grinding. So let's get to work. think that's it for today. This is the gate that's replacing the other gate, and then we've got the Slumlord gate right there and the Slumlord gate over there. Can't really see it too well in the lighting, but ooh, giant head. Anyway, it's hot out here. Everything's been welded up. The smaller of the two, the Slumlord gates, I gotta cut it and put the lockbox in it, and this this gate here gets, I gotta go buy the wood for it and the bolts, and it's, you know, it needs some grinding done, but that's pretty much it. We're moving right along. The other gate, the Slumlord gate, both of them get solid sheet metal panels. You can see that rusty mess right there. Those are the panels that he had, and I got to clean the rust off of them and then cut them down to size. He wants it so people can't just look in through the gate. So anyway, that's it for today. Until next time, bye.